Once upon a time, there were two friends who decided to have a speedy sweet bean dessert soup eating contest. Their names were Bare-eared Long-haired Girl and Hoodie Skeleton Man. On your marks, get set,
Go.
both of them began eating their warm sweet bean soup at an incredible speed. Bare-eared Long-haired Girl slurped happily, doing her very best. But then, she stopped, staring carefully at her bowl. Maybe she was getting full, because she suddenly stopped eating. On the other side, Hoodie Skeleton Man kept going, scooping and sipping smoothly. But wait. He began to slow down too. It seemed the sweet bean soup was getting tough for him as well. Soon, Hoodie Skeleton Man also put down his bowl.
Ah.
Bare-eared Long-haired Girl picked up her spoon again. With brave determination, she called out, "More, please." She ate and ate until the time was up. And this time, Bare-eared Long-haired Girl won the contest. In the end, the two friends sat together and shared a warm bowl of ozoni, a special New Year's soup. Eating together felt much nicer than racing. And they both thought, ozoni tastes even better than sweet bean soup. The end.